According to a recent study, Malta's energy consumption per capita is one of the lowest in the EU. But we can always do better. Here's how. Let's focus on water, hot water to be precise. But why should we reduce our hot water use? Because heating that water uses more energy. Take a long hot shower as an example. If it's long, you're wasting water, unnecessary. Jump in, get yourself clean, and get out. It shouldn't take you more than 5 to 7 minutes. A long hot shower, you've also emptied out your geyser, so it now needs to reheat the water inside. This wastes electricity, so shorter showers are definitely the best way to go. About water heaters or geysers. Your bathroom water heater should be installed as close as possible to your shower. Why? So you're not wasting water whilst waiting for the hot water to reach you. Install a small water heater as close as possible to your kitchen sink. Why small? Because a small water heater should provide enough water for washing up, especially when mixed in with cold water. Why close by? For the exact same reason as your bathroom water heater. Also, make sure that your water heater is rated A+ or higher on its energy efficiency label. Now let's look at dishwashers. Contrary to what you might think, it is more efficient to use a dishwasher than washing your dishes by hand. You're actually using less water and less electricity. Dishwashers have their own inbuilt water heater, and they mainly work with water spray and steam, not flowing water. So the amount of hot water used is low when compared to washing the dishes by hand, after a family meal, for example. Think about it. All that time that you're washing the dishes, your kitchen water heater is working at full throttle. That's unnecessary. It's pretty much the same story with washing machines, except that they don't require a minimum temperature for good cleaning. A lot of modern detergents have been redesigned so that you can do most loads at lower temperatures of 30 or 40 degrees. A bit of advice. Front loaders tend to waste less energy than top loaders. When choosing your appliances, always look for an energy efficiency label and, depending on your family size, choose the one that best suits your needs. So if you live alone or in a 2-person household, smaller appliances might make more sense for you. But a family of 4 or more, a small capacity dishwasher or washing machine would simply mean that you'd end up doing more loads, which wastes more water and energy. So always match your appliance size to your household, and always make sure that you use your appliances on a full load. In this way, your appliance will work better and you will reduce your energy and water consumption, and obviously, your energy bills. A win-win-win. Really. For more information, visit water.org.mt. Water. Be the change.
This project is part-financed by the European Union under the Cohesion Fund, European Structural and Investment Funds 2014-2020.